So Toshi, where's our little friend Jackson? How come he wasn't sleeping with us? He always sleeping with us in the morning. Morning, Trout. Morning. You seen Jackson? Oh, what's he doing over here? What's he doing over here? Is he feeling okay? He's not feeling okay today. He's got the sneeze. He got the sneeze. Oh, Jackson. This is no good. We knew you were going to get some sneeze. Oh. We'll just cover you right back up. We'll get a hold of the vet. We'll get some medicines. Oh, that's so sad. Really? You're really going to be sick? Oh, I'm sorry. No wonder he didn't want waffles yesterday. Poor little thing. And you, over here, we'll go for a walk after I get ready, okay? No, not right now. Can you wait till I get dressed? Okay, you want to see if you can go to work with me today? Okay, I can do that. Maybe I need to get you out of here. I owe you, huh, buddy? Yeah. Alright, well, let me go get ready, okay? Let me go get dressed. Alright.